This is the summary created from the video. Lecture 25 Change Tolerance. This course explores the fundamental concepts of change management, a critical process for organizations to adapt and thrive in a constantly evolving landscape. Change is inevitable, impacting individuals, communities, and organizations alike, and those who fail to embrace it risk losing their competitive edge. Change management involves transforming an organization's current state to a desired future state, which could involve new products, processes, automation, or vision shifts. While evidence suggests that 70% of organizational changes worldwide fail, businesses cannot survive without implementing necessary changes, despite the high failure rate. Change can be classified into two types: incremental changes and radical or transformational changes, with the approach tailored to each organization's unique needs. In managing change, it is crucial to consider both the employees' and the organization's perspectives, as demonstrated by IIT Kharagpur's preparatory efforts during their ERP implementation. Organizations experience both equilibrium and disequilibrium states, with imbalances in external or internal factors driving the need for change to address declining performance or misaligned systems. Change proposals often face resistance stemming from threats to power, resources, and inertia, as organizations are coalitions with potential interest group tensions. Lewin's change model, which consists of unfreezing, change, and refreezing stages, provides a framework for navigating the challenges of implementing organizational transformations. To effectively deal with resistance to change, organizations should employ strategies such as education, communication involvement, resource provision, conflict resolution, and if necessary, coercion. The change management process involves recognizing the need for change, strategic planning, transparent communication, flexible execution, and evaluation of outcomes to ensure sustainable success. Please stay tuned for more summary videos.